Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. In this episode, we dive into the top struts for enhancing your Toyota Avalon's ride. Uncover the ideal combination of performance and comfort for your vehicle's needs. Number 1. Avalon Struts elevate your Toyota Avalon's performance. When it comes to enhancing your Toyota Avalon's ride, Avalon Struts are the name you can trust. These struts are engineered to perfection, offering a seamless blend of comfort and control. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smoother, more responsive handling. The Avalon brand knows what your Avalon needs, and these struts deliver. Whether you're cruising through city streets or conquering winding roads, Avalon Struts ensure your ride is not just smooth but exhilarating. Upgrade your driving experience today with Avalon Struts. Your Avalon will thank you. Number 2. Completed Struts delivers a driving experience that feels like gliding on clouds. The precision engineering perfectly complements my Toyota Avalon, providing an unbeatable combination of comfort and control on every journey. Its seamless installation process is a cherry on top, making it an ideal choice for hassle-free upgrades. With its exceptional durability, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Elevate your driving game with Completed Struts. Number 3. Detroit Axle Struts spells sheer excellence for my Toyota Avalon. Their seamless compatibility with my ride makes for an effortless installation. The improved stability on the road is an absolute game-changer, turning every drive into a smooth cruise. Not only do these struts boast durability, but they also elevate the overall performance, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride every time. Detroit Axle has undeniably set the bar high with this one, definitely a must-have for any Toyota Avalon owner seeking top-notch quality and performance. Number 4. Autosaver 88 Struts elevate the Toyota Avalon's performance to a whole new level. Seamlessly designed for a perfect fit, these struts blend top-notch engineering with a sleek, stylish finish. The enhanced stability and smooth ride redefine comfort, making every drive a luxury experience. With an easy installation process, they effortlessly transform your Avalon into a powerful, smooth sailing machine. Unleash the full potential of your ride with Autosaver 88 Struts, your perfect companion on the road to excellence. Number 5. AutoShack Struts are a game-changer for Toyota Avalon owners. Say goodbye to those bumpy rides and hello to smooth, luxurious drives. These struts are like magic, transforming your car's performance. Installation was a breeze, and the quality is top-notch. The difference in handling and comfort is unbelievable. Your Avalon will thank you for this upgrade. So, if you want a thrilling driving experience, AutoShack Struts are your ticket to automotive bliss. Don't miss out on the Avalon's hidden potential. Get these struts today. In conclusion, selecting the right struts for your Toyota Avalon is crucial for ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. From the enhanced performance of Monroe OE Spectrum to the reliability of KYB XLG, each option offers distinct benefits tailored to your driving needs. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching.